Good morning, everyone. My name is Anna Papa, and I'm proud to be a graduate of the Balloon and Arts and Floristry courses. When I first signed up for the Balloon Arts and Floristry courses, I never imagined how much joy, creativity, and confidence would bloom, both in my hands and in my heart. Standing here today, I feel a deep sense of pride and gratitude. Enrolling in these short courses wasn't just about learning new skills. These courses teach us more than just arranging flowers or creating beautiful balloon displays. They've taught us patience, precision, and the art of turning simple materials into moments of happiness. It has given me knowledge and confidence and opened new doors, professionally and personally. It was about taking a deep step toward personal growth and proving that it's never too late to learn something new. Looking back during our classes, there were moments when the flowers just wouldn't fall into place, or the balloon seems to have a will of their own. Still, we pushed through. Juggling our studies alongside work, family responsibilities, and everyday life was no easy task. But we stayed committed and kept moving forward. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our wonderful instructors, Ma'am Elaine and Sir Reggie, for their patience, guidance, and for sharing their passion and expertise with us. With the support of dedicated instructors, classmates, and the belief that growth is always possible, we made it. We've gained new skills we can turn into passion projects, small businesses, or simply ways to bring more beauty into the world. To my fellow graduates, congratulations. We've taken bold steps, learned something new, and now we carry the tools, not just in our kits, but in our hearts, to create joy wherever we go. This is only the beginning. Let's keep learning, growing, and pushing forward. Thank you.